Age of Exploration, the Sunken Ship. Agenda. Our objective. What is the Age of Exploration? What is G and T, the Sunken Ship activity? Objective. I will be able to explain and rank artifacts of the Age of Exploration using a worksheet. So what is the Age of Exploration? In the 15th century, European ships traveled the world looking for new trading routes. Now we're going to discuss what motivated those explorers. And that's called G plus T. Or in other words, God, glory, and tech. So gold motivated the explorers because they could explore and find vast amounts of gold to pay them. God motivated them because they wanted to spread Christianity throughout the globe, and glory motivated them because they would become famous. People like Christopher Columbus, for instance, gained a lot of glory from his expedition into the Americas. And technology also played a role in motivating explorers. So we have gold, God, glory, and tech. Today's mission: the sunken ship. In your groups, you will review the artifacts found in a sunken ship. You will determine why each artifact could have motivated someone to explore. At the end, you will rank the artifacts from most important to least important. Here is our worksheet. So starting with the Holy Bible, you'll read each passage and you'll fill out why you think that artifact motivated exploration. And you'll just go down, down. And then eventually you're going to find yourself at the exit ticket, where you're going to rate or rank the artifacts from most important to least important. And then you're going to explain to me why you chose your most important and why you chose your least important.